The CN Tower in Toronto, Canada, is a prominent landmark and one of the tallest freestanding structures globally, standing at 1,015 feet, 553.3 meters. Completed in 1976 by WZMH Architects. For the Canadian National Railway, CNR, it was the world's tallest tower until 2009. The tower serves as a telecommunications hub and features observation decks like the glass floor and skypod. A major attraction is the Edge Walk, a thrilling experience that allows visitors to walk hands-free along the tower's edge at 1,168 feet. Now owned by Canada Lands Company, the CN Tower remains a symbol of Toronto's skyline, drawing millions of visitors annually for its breathtaking views and innovative design.